Hey guys, welcome back to Organize with Ev. Today's video is Eleni's room makeover. I recently did her room and didn't record it. We actually went with the Minnie Mouse theme, but I just wasn't too fond of it. It just didn't come together like I really wanted it to with this new bedroom suit that we just bought. So we are going with an elegant unicorn theme. She has really been into unicorns lately, so the colors that we're going with is a plush pink, and then we're also going to add some pops of gold as well just to bring it all together. The decor frames and the bedspreads I purchased from Home Goods, and then that I purchased it from Etsy. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is move this 3-tier shelves. I'm just going to place it on the opposite side of the wall because I'm going to place her unicorn picture here, just so when you first walk into her room you can definitely tell what theme we're going with. And so on this 3-tier we display all of her trophies that she's won from gymnastics along with her pageant. So that's how we display that, and I'll show you guys how that looks later. The next thing we're going to do is take off our old bedspread and put on the new one. And what we did, we just do the fitted sheet and then the comforter. So the fitted sheet is actually unicorn theme, and then the comforter is the plush pink. So while Lee is finishing that up, I'm going to go ahead and take the screws out from the 3-tier shelves, and then we're going to go ahead and make the bed.
And I don't like the sound. Could you please make some room and get out of my face? I can grow, I can bloom.
So as far as making the bed, we just use a fitted sheet along with the comforter, and that just works the easiest, especially when we're making up the bed.
What I need, you don't know what.
Here's a tip for you guys. If you are doing any type of room makeover and you are changing the bedspread and then you have other projects to do outside of that, I would definitely recommend making your bed. It's something about having the bed made that makes it look like the room complete, so that way it doesn't look like it's a huge mess before it gets better. So just go ahead and take that tip and just make the bed first if you are doing any type of room makeover. The next thing we're going to do is paint the letter E. So since we said we are adding pops of gold, we're going to go ahead and paint this E, and then we're also going to paint her mirror as well. And we're just going to go with spray painting just because it is easier than actually taking like a paintbrush and painting it. So spray paint is definitely our best friend whenever we're tackling projects.
And I just can't help the way I'm feeling.
So the next thing we're going to do is put up these frames that we purchased. And like I said, we purchased these from Home Goods. Home Goods is a great store for affordable prices and getting really nice quality stuff. Just because Eleni is getting older, and we can definitely tell she's becoming more independent and want to take in every little bit of her tininess. So we just put that up just because that's sort of how we're feeling right now. But I'll show you guys the frame at the end as well.
Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you, then I miss you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too. But a little grace would be enough for me to prove.
So like I mentioned earlier, we are moving the 3-tier shelves onto the opposite wall, and that's what I'm going to do here. Another thing we did was do like the little window you guys see. Those are pictures from her first birthday, and I just don't want to take them down. But so we just purchased that window at an antique shop, and then I just added the frames into the window.
Perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you. Crutches, I be holding crutches, can't let go of any mistakes. Distant, sometimes I get distant, stay away.
If you are enjoying this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I post every Wednesday and Sunday. My videos are about cleaning, organizing, lifestyle, DIYs, you name it. If you are looking for that motivation or that inspiration to get some projects done or to just simply make your bed, you'll definitely love it here, and I would love for you to subscribe.
You're my mirror, I can finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know
tip that I do mention in quite a few of my videos, but make sure that anytime you're tackling projects to clean along the way. Don't wait till the very end to clean up, just because sometimes it looks worse before it gets better. So just make sure you're cleaning up as you go.
I'm starting to believe you can.
Like I mentioned earlier, we purchased this letter E on Etsy, and I think it was around $60, and that was plus shipping as well. I definitely love how elegant the E makes it look, and the camera honestly doesn't do it justice because of how big it is. It definitely brings that room together and just gives it this elegant feel that I really was going for Eleni's room. Because not only is it like the playful room with the unicorn, but also an elegant style as well, so that way she can use it for quite a few years and we don't have to continue to change out her room. And I do want to mention, I know you guys probably don't see the toys out, but I actually have a cube organizer. I was going to show you guys in the video, but I forgot to record it. But we have a cube organizer that's in her closet because we have to make use of our small space. It just works best that it's in that closet, and when she needs to use it, we'll just open the door, or she'll open the door and play with her toys that way. Bringing in that mirror definitely made a huge difference with painting that gold instead of leaving it the off-white that it was. So I'm glad that we definitely made that decision. But here is the before, and I'm excited to reveal the after to you guys. I would love to hear your comments down below.
Say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over, over.
For watching this room makeover. We definitely enjoyed how it came together along with the process, and I'm so happy I was able to share it with you guys. Let me know in the comments below what project you would like to see me tackle next, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
It can't be over.